Hi friends, I'm here with a new video today. Today I'm not going to teach you anything. I just wanted to show you few of my blouses, how I match with my sarees and how I have got it stitched. So it's not too different or something like that. It's just that I have done something which is going to suit my sarees. So I just thought I'll share with you guys too. I love embroidery and all, but not too heavy ones, like very simple, and preferably like if it is going well with my saree, then I will surely like it. Okay, so I just wanted to show you, like, this is one blouse which I have got. This is a maroon color blouse. This came with my one saree, but it is matching two sarees of mine. Okay, so I'll just show you. This is my wedding reception saree, which I have purchased around 10 years back. So this when I got married, that time the embroidery was not that popular, so I just got the regular stitching done like normal blouse. But now it is not suiting this, because now the trend is changed, and even I have not in the same size, so I have grown little fat. So that saree is, that blouse is not at all of any use for me. So this particular blouse, it came with my one more saree. Hope you all have my, you have seen this saree I've showed in my video, the kuchu video which I've done with the beads. So this particular saree blouse, it is going well. Even the pallu, like the border, it is matching with my other saree also. And it is very nice. It is matching both the sarees, so one blouse I can use for both. I need not have to go buy one more blouse for the wedding saree. So I just thought I just wanted to share this information with you guys, in case if you have any other matching color, you can just match it with the old sarees too. And I will just show you how I have done this. This is the front neck. As the saree border also has mangoes. I've got the mango design here. Okay, and this is how the sleeve is. I love the sleeve design. It came out really very well. Okay, I think hardly some 2 or 3 times is what I wore this, but it is very nice, very simple. Like, it is not exactly simple, but it is good, somewhat elegant it is, so I just liked it very much. Okay, and I'll just show you one more blouse of mine. This is one more blouse which I have got it stitched. This is little heavy work, but more of thread work here and all, and a lot of knot work here. You can just see. Let me just zoom in. Yeah, so like I've got the knot work done here, and this is how the sleeve is. Okay. So this is how it is, and even in the front I've got the design here. This particular saree is for my our housewarming ceremony. I just purchased one saree. So for this I have matched that. This is along with the saree, I got the blouse piece. So I just got this work done and got it stitched. Again, I don't know, somehow whichever saree I buy, I'll have more of mangoes. I think I'm very much I love mangoes, so that is why I get all the saree designs also with mangoes. So it's a multicolor saree. Okay, it's very nice again. So this is how the pattern is, but still I could not do the kuchu work for this. I'm not finding time, and the blouse goes really very well with the saree. So I just love this. So I have matched all the colors that is there in the saree. See, maroon is there, the blouse background is maroon, and we have taken little bit of cloth, and we have done the attachment here, and the work is done on top of the attachment. You can see this is not thread work, this is the cloth. Okay, this is how it looks. And I have an extra blouse which I've got it done, and this is not for any sari I've got it done. This is just, you know, I wanted to match with lot of other saris. I usually, you know, I love maroon and black color, so for my any black color sari I can match this. This is very, very simple. Again, as I told you, somehow wherever I go, these mangoes will come and hold me. So even I am so much attracted towards mango border or mango designs. So even on the sleeve I've got the mango design. So this, you know, I just got this color smash. I don't know with what idea, it just came in my mind and I've got it done. But it is going on very well with 3 or 4 of my saris which I have got black color. Usually, you know, I have one sari with black and gold, so that goes well with this, and another one is black and with lot of checks. You know, in checks I have got, it's a multicolor you know, sari. That's also, it is very nice, so it is going along with that very well. So I'll show you one more sari which I have done on my own, like sorry, the blouse which I've done on my own. This was in the beginning days when I was learning, you know, hand embroidery. So I just, you know, made the simple design just with the beads. This is for Kuchu I had got, so I, you know, somehow I just matched this and I've done this blouse. This is for my one more sari. Hope you all have seen this orange color sari 2-3 times in my videos. This is, you know, orange and pink. So this is the kuchu work I have done. So this is going on very well with my you know, blouse also. So it's just that I have matched it, nothing, no concept or anything. See, again in this also I have mangoes. I don't know, so much, you know, like every sari, almost all the saris I have got mangoes, mangoes, mangoes. And I wanted to show you one more thing, like this is a machine embroidery I have done the other day, which I was working when I posted my, you know, embroidery machine video. In that, this is the one work which I was doing. I'll just show you. So this is the back and this is the front I have done. The thing what I love about, you know, machine embroidery is it's, you know, flat embroidery, and I don't like too many beads or too many stones in the, you know, blouses. But then when I have got my blouses done, that time that was the trend, but now the trend is changing to, you know, plain thread work. So for that present trend, this is really good. So, and moreover, the thing is, this is like long duration, like long life. It will not have any you know, damages, you know, in future. But I cannot guarantee on my you know, handwork blouses, because what happens is, handwork knot sometimes it might get cut. If it is getting cut, then it will remove, you know, it will be opened, and even few stitches will get open, which we cannot repair, or we may have to go to the worker again to get it repaired. But in this case, that is not that. Like, machine embroidery will not spoil at any cost. If even our cloth is spoiling, the machine embroidery will just stay like that. Hope you can see your old no, kurtis or your old embroidery saris. Embroidery will be the same. If you're washing for a, you know, many times or anything like that, of course the threads will go out, but still the work will be here only. Nothing will happen. And for the present trend, this is really good, and it is very, very cost effective. Okay, it will be like almost half the price of what you're going to pay for your machine embroidery. If you are a keen, you know, lover of machine, you know, hand embroidery, then you can go ahead and do only hand embroidery. If you are not very, very particular about machine or, you know, hand embroidery, and you just want, you know, good embroidery and at a reasonable cost, then this is the best I would, you know, suggest. It's not because that I am having the machine or anything like that. I am not selling anything here. It's just that my, you know, views on it. Okay, it's up to you, it's up to your decision. And I would say, like, if not for the grand sarees, at least for simple sarees you can go for machine embroideries, so that you can, you know, have trendy blouses for every saree. If you know, for many people it is not affordable to get work done for all the sarees, no, like I mean to say the hand embroidery, but this is, you know, affordable enough. So it's hardly like, you know, you pay some 600 to 1500 or 2000 rupees, you get a very good designs in this. And moreover, as I told you, it's long life. So this is what I really wanted to, you know, show you guys. So this is what I have done till now, and I have one more blouse. I'll just show you. Still it is not completed yet. This is my own blouse. So I just have done this peacock design. Oh, sorry. Hope you can see this. I'm yet to do the, you know, work still here. And the front part I could not do this. I had some other orders, so I was just working on that. For the trial I did this because I've just done the designing and all, so I just wanted to, you know, see how it comes. It came out really well, and I'm in love with, you know, embroidery. So for any blouse, I would say embroidery will be really good. As of now, my, you know, mind is all about embroidery. I just love embroidery, so I just thought for all my old sarees I'll make out one new blouse and new embroidery, so along, like, matching with the sarees. So once I do my new blouses, I will make a video on that, and I will share with you guys too, so that even you get an idea, like for all your old sarees, like your wedding sarees or some other old sarees, you can just you know, have a new blouse, how to make and all, you get an idea. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and please comment me below on your views about my channel and my videos. If you want anything to be better, or if you want any improvements in this, please let me know. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.